Mm-hmm.
Actually, when
Yeah.
I started taking the session, so that times I have lots of hesitations and under confidence how
Mm-hmm.
to interact with other person while speaking English, because sometimes I get stuck while speaking English. I make lots of mistake. So
Mm-hmm.
hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. Thank you. And what about you?
Yes, I am going good. And how's your day today?
It's going good. Everything is
Yes,
going normal, good. And what about you?
yes, I am doing great.
Okay.
Okay. So I think I have a topic
Mm-hmm.
to discussion. You know very well. What is the important confidence and knowledge when you speak any language? So
Mm-hmm.
what does need confidence and knowledge?
To speak
And
not
what
to
is
speak
your
English.
perception that?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So actually, both are important. But if I talk about myself, in my opinion, I would like to share my opinion. Actually, to have knowledge is important, more important
Okay.
as compared to confidence. Because let's suppose if there is a boy, okay, and if someone asks him to say, and he don't know and he don't have any knowledge about makeup, okay. So
Okay.
if he is asked anything about makeup, so can he say anything? No. Why? Because he don't have any knowledge about makeup, right? So in the same way, I would like to take my example. Like I don't have knowledge about cricket. Okay, and if someone asks me anything related to cricket, so can I say anything? Can't. I can't, because I
Okay.
don't have any knowledge related to cricket, right? So in my opinion, that's how to have knowledge is most important, more important as compared to have confidence.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so but if I talk about confidence, it is as you already know. Again, I would like to take my example. As you would have known already that I have started making videos like these conversational video, right? Because I made first video with you with yourself, right? So
Yes.
yeah. So I don't have much confidence. I don't have much confidence about this, like how to make these conversation video, right? So, but
Yes. Yes.
still I can speak in English, because why? Because I have knowledge about English. Not I
Okay.
accept I don't have much knowledge, but I have that much by using which I can speak, and I can convey my thoughts, right? So to have knowledge is important. And let's suppose if I didn't have any knowledge about English, so can I speak anything? I can't. Why? Because I don't have any knowledge about English, right? So to have English, to have knowledge is important to as compared to have confidence. And let's suppose right, wait.
Yes. Yes.
So that's what.
Continuous.
So that's
Because
what I
yes.
wanted to. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to share, ma'am. So to have knowledge is more important as compared to have confidence. And
Okay.
as for if I didn't have any knowledge about English, so I can never speak and I can never get confidence. No matter how much session, how many session I take, no matter how many session I take, but I can never get build my confidence. Why? Because I don't have any knowledge. And I can get confidence gradually, right?
Okay.
So gradually, yeah. So because as many session I take, I'll get a confidence will be get itself,
Okay.
right? Gradually, yeah. So to
Okay.
have knowledge is more important in my opinion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I am
So
agree with you, Sapna. But according to me, I think confidence is very important. I know
mhm,
knowledge is very important, but I am taking the myself example because
mhm,
when I started learning English, I learned everything.
mhm.
But when it comes to speak English with other persons, so that times I couldn't speak English because of lack of confidence. So
Mm-hmm.
I think confidence is very important
Mm-hmm.
because these
Yeah,
times
ma'am.
I am taking the session, and for when took the one session, so that time I didn't have more much confidence.
Mm-hmm.
So then I was taking the some pose while
Mm-hmm.
speaking English. But this times I am trying to be better, and I feel something like this. I am getting to be perfect. So I think
Mm-hmm.
first of all, you should more much confidence, and then I think knowledge is very important. And because I think when you go to the get the job for other side, you have
Mm-hmm.
more much degrees, you have lots of knowledge, but you don't have more much confidence. So that time you can't clear your interview in front of other people's as a interviewee. So I think confidence as well is very important, as well knowledge. I think both are very important.
Both are very important, ma'am.
Yes,
But what
yes,
I think, I think, confidence we can gain gradually by doing practice. Like if you have knowledge about any particular field, so
yes,
you can get confidence later on and gradually by doing lot of practice, right?
yes,
So
yes,
if you and let's suppose if you don't have any knowledge about that any particular field, so you can never get confidence.
yes,
No matter
exactly.
no matter how much time you do that work, but you can never get your confidence.
Yeah,
Why?
I
Because you
know.
don't have any knowledge.
Yes,
Mhm.
I know, I agree with you, but I think knowledge is very important. Both, I think, confidence.
Mhm.
Because I think all the times, I made the video because how to we perfect our confidence, how to we increase our confidence. So I
Mhm.
think practice is very important. Both things,
Mhm. We can
knowledge
get
and
confidence by practicing.
yes, while practicing. And this times I am taking the session because my confidence will be increased as well my knowledge. So I
Same
feel
here,
some
ma'am.
my both things are increasing, confidence
I'm
and
also
knowledge.
I'm a Yeah, yeah, yeah. Same happen with me. Same is happening with me, with myself also, ma'am. I'm also try to gain my confidence, build my confidence because
Yes,
I have no experience about make this kind of no conversational video, but still I
yes,
try to gain confidence. Still I'll try to make confidence, and I have little bit knowledge about English, so I can get
yes,
confidence. Okay.
yes.
And if I didn't have any knowledge, then then I think I can never get confidence. No matter how many sessions I take, I can never get. So that's why,
Okay.
in my opinion, knowledge is more important. To have
Yes,
knowledge is more important.
yes, yeah. I think both things are very important
Both, yeah.
for improving
Okay.
your goal. Who want to get?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, when
Yeah.
I started taking the session, so that times I have lots of hesitations and under confidence how
Mm-hmm.
to interact with other person while speaking English. Because sometimes I get stuck while speaking English. I make lots of mistake. So how to
Mm-hmm.
deal? So I think yes, I think because of your under of confidence, you know very well everything
Mm-hmm.
related to speaking English, but you don't have more much knowledge, sorry, confidence. When you start
Confidence.
taking the sessions, when you keep
Doing the same thing. You keep doing the same thing again and again, then confidence will get
yes, confidence and knowledge
automatically.
be increased
Mm-hmm.
immediately, and
Mm-hmm.
gradually. So I think
Mm-hmm.
both things are very important according to my perception. Both things are very
Mm-hmm.
important. Yes,
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
yes,
okay.
yes.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay,
So
okay.
it was nice talking to you. Have a nice day.
Okay, okay, nice to
Have,
talk to you.
have a,
And because I will meet up very soon with the
okay,
rapid
okay.
fire.
Okay,
Okay,
okay. Just let me know and we'll talk
okay,
again,
okay.
okay?
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.